What does your family eat when nothing turns on? Not what you plan to cook, not what is in the freezer, what is actually ready, right now, with zero heat, zero electricity, zero preparation of any kind. Smart preppers answered that question before the blackout happened. 7 specific foods, most under $2. All of them ready the moment the lights go out. Drop a comment. What is the first no-cook food you reach for when the power goes out? Number 7. Pita chips. Most no-cook food lists stop at crackers. Pita chips earn a separate position because they do something no standard cracker can. Jennifer keeps 12 bags in her emergency cabinet, not because she planned to, but because after her first serious blackout, she identified the specific gap that pita chips filled and went back for more. The gap is structural. Pita chips are thick enough to scoop, dense enough to hold any spread, any topping, any canned content without breaking. Regular crackers crumble under the weight of canned salmon or bean dip. Pita chips hold. That structural integrity, a vehicle that does not fail under load, transforms every other no-cook food in the pantry. Canned hummus on pita chips becomes a meal. Peanut butter on pita chips becomes a satisfying snack that lasts hours. Canned tuna scooped directly with a pita chip requires no bowl, no fork, no surface. The specific crunch also matters. After days of soft, no-cook food, canned soups, spreads, pâtés, something that cracks audibly when bitten, resets the eating experience completely. Complex carbohydrates, B vitamins from the wheat base, fiber, sealed bag, 6 to 9 months, under $2 per bag, 10 to 12 bags. The structural vehicle most no-cook plans never specify. Structural crunch covered. Now the legume snack that delivers protein without opening a can. Number 6. Roasted chickpea snack packs. The individual portion packs sitting near checkout lanes in most grocery stores. Marcus found them during his 3rd week of building out his no-cook supply, after he had covered all the obvious options and was looking for something that delivered protein without requiring a can opener, a bowl, or any utensil at all. Roasted chickpeas in individual sealed packs. Tear the top, eat directly. Complete. Here is the specific protein function most people miss when they walk past them. Roasted chickpeas deliver plant protein in a format that requires chewing. Real, sustained chewing that activates the jaw muscles and triggers the satiety hormones that liquid and soft foods cannot fully activate. In any blackout where most available proteins are soft, canned meats, spreads, soups, roasted chickpeas are the protein that the body recognizes as substantial. 15 to 20 grams of protein per pack, alongside high fiber, iron, folate, and manganese. The specific crunch that signals food rather than fuel. Individual packaging means each serving stays fresh until opened. No oxidation from a large bag opened repeatedly. Sealed, 6 months to 1 year. Under $1.99 per pack, 20 to 30 individual packs. The protein crunch most no-cook lists never include. Crunchy plant protein covered. Now the canned fish hiding a flavor combination nobody expects. Number 5. Canned mackerel in teriyaki sauce. Different from plain mackerel. Different from any other canned fish on any mainstream prepper list. Elena had never bought canned mackerel in teriyaki until her neighbor, who had been quietly building a serious no-cook supply for 3 years, handed her one during a 4-day power outage and said nothing except try it cold. She opened it skeptically, ate half the can standing at the counter. The teriyaki sauce does something to canned mackerel that no other preparation achieves. The sweet soy glaze cuts through the natural richness of the fish, creating a flavor balance that is genuinely satisfying cold and directly from the can. Something that tastes like a deliberate flavor decision rather than an emergency option. Beyond flavor, canned mackerel has the highest omega-3 fatty acid concentration of any commonly available canned fish. Higher than tuna, higher than salmon. The specific brain and cardiovascular fats that maintain cognitive clarity under sustained stress. The teriyaki sauce adds natural sugars for immediate energy alongside the protein and fat from the fish. 3 to 5 year shelf life, under $1.99 per tin, 20 to 30 tins. The omega-3 no-cook meal most stockpiles never discover, highest omega-3 covered. Now the ready-to-eat lentil product most people have never seen. Number 4. Ready-to-eat lentil pouches. Fully cooked lentils in a sealed foil pouch. No can opener required, no draining required, no preparation beyond tearing the corner and squeezing. Most people do not know this product exists. It sits in the grain and legume section of health food stores and increasingly in mainstream grocery chains. A cooked, seasoned lentil pouch that requires nothing. Here is what makes it specifically different from canned lentils. The pouch format is lighter, more compact, and opens without tools. In a blackout where finding a can opener in the dark adds a step that exhausted people sometimes skip, a pouch that tears open with fingers removes every barrier between hunger and food. The lentils inside are already seasoned, French green lentils with herbs and olive oil in most varieties. Complete in flavor, ready to eat cold with a satisfying firm texture that holds up, unlike canned lentils which are softer and less visually appealing. Complete protein when eaten alongside any grain, iron, folate, fiber at levels that support digestive health through any dietary disruption. 18-month shelf life, under $1.99 per pouch, 15 to 20 pouches. The no-tool complete protein meal most preppers walk straight past. Tool-free, complete protein covered. Now the sardine variety that changes how people think about canned fish. Number 3. Sardines in lemon sauce. Not olive oil, not tomato sauce, not mustard. Lemon sauce sardines sit in the canned fish section between the familiar varieties, and almost nobody reaches for them. The people who have tried them cold from the can understand immediately why smart preppers quietly stock them alongside every other sardine format. The lemon sauce does something specific that no other sardine preparation achieves cold. Acidity from the lemon brightens the natural oil richness of the sardine, cutting through the fat in a way that makes the fish taste lighter, fresher, and more immediately appealing at room temperature than oil-packed or water-packed varieties. The specific citrus brightness signals fresh food rather than preserved food to the palate. In a no-cook blackout scenario where everything available tastes preserved, sardines in lemon sauce taste closest to something that was recently made. Complete protein, calcium from the soft edible bones, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, B12. The lemon acidity also aids digestion of the fish fat, the same principle behind traditional lemon with fish pairings across every cuisine that has served fish for thousands of years. 3 to 5 year shelf life, under $1.99 per tin, 20 to 30 tins. The lemon bright sardine variety, most no-cook lists never specify. Bright acid-cut protein covered. Now the meat stick hiding a specific survival function. Number 2, turkey pepperoni sticks. The individually wrapped meat sticks in the deli snack section. Turkey pepperoni specifically, lower fat than pork pepperoni, higher protein per ounce, with a spiced cured flavor profile that is immediately recognizable and universally accepted. Here is the specific no-cook blackout function that earns turkey pepperoni the second position. Individual wrapping. Each stick is its own sealed serving. No oxidation from opening a larger package. No need to portion or divide. No surface or utensil required. Unwrap and eat. In the dark, while moving. With one hand. That absolute minimum requirement format matters specifically in the first hours of a blackout, when finding food quickly, without fumbling, without requiring light or tools, is the practical priority. Complete protein from the turkey base, lower saturated fat than pork alternatives. The specific spiced cured flavor that satisfies in a way that plain protein does not. The combination of salt, fennel, and paprika that makes pepperoni recognizable as a food with an identity. 1 year shelf life individually wrapped, under $1.99 per multi-pack, 20 to 30 multi-packs. The one-handed darkness food most blackout plans never include, one-handed darkness protein covered. And now, number 1, the bar that closes every gap the other 6 leave open. Number 1, date and nut energy bars, just point selve. Not protein bars with ingredient lists requiring a chemistry degree. Not granola bars with more sugar than substance. Date and nut bars, made from dates, almonds, and nothing else in the cleanest versions, are the no-cook food that covers the specific gap every other item on this list leaves open. Immediate energy, sustained energy, and something that tastes like a treat. Dates are essentially nature's energy gel. Natural glucose and fructose that absorb into the bloodstream faster than almost any other whole food. The almonds alongside slow, that absorption with fat and protein, creating a sustained energy curve that lasts 2 to 3 hours from one bar. In the first hours of a blackout, when adrenaline is elevated, energy is being burned faster than normal, and the body needs something immediately. A date and nut bar delivers within minutes. Not the slow energy of beans and grains, fast fuel that works now. The emotional function matters equally. A bar that tastes like a dessert, sweet, rich, satisfying, signals to the nervous system that things are manageable, that someone thought ahead, that food is available, and it is good food. Magnesium from the almonds, potassium from the dates, iron, fiber, 12-month shelf life. Under $1.99 per bar in most health food sections, 20 to 30 bars. The immediate energy and emotional reset that closes every nutritional and psychological gap the other 6 items leave open. 7 foods, every one of them ready the moment the power goes out, most under $2. Pita chips, roasted chickpea packs, canned mackerel in teriyaki, ready-to-eat lentil pouches, lemon sauce sardines, turkey pepperoni sticks, and date and nut energy bars. Total cost for meaningful quantities, under $100. The question most people answer wrong is, what does your family eat when nothing turns on? They answer with what they plan to cook, what was in the freezer, what they assumed would be accessible. Smart preppers answered it differently. They walked through their pantry in the dark, literally, with the lights off, and asked, what can I open, prepare, and eat right now with one hand and no tools? These 7 answered that question correctly. Subscribe. Next video covers 7 more no-cook foods under $2 that smart preppers stock for the blackout scenarios most emergency lists never plan for. Drop a comment. How many of these 7 could you find in your pantry right now in the dark?